Finally inside once again, and they're open. Negasi looking for the leader. Elinjo and Maximum Impact is running by the wheeler. Elinjo and Maximum Impact fighting out for the lead. 5 lengths. Negasi. Here comes Gray Angels. Green Lane running by the wheel. Minsan and Strong Boy. Going along for the first turn. Elinjo takes the lead by half a length, followed by Maximum Impact. 5 lengths away is Legacy. Down in fourth, Gray Angel. Running by the wheel, Pip. Minsan taking the 6th position now is Strong Boy. Into the back, they travel Elinjo just in front, followed by Maximum Impact. Legacy coming close now in third, Gray Angel. Strong Boy on the outside. Minsan, while Green Lane are running in until the field. Down the half mile, they traveling still. Elinjo moving up. Negasi on the outside. It's now Negasi. Strong Boy on the further outside, and Gray Angel. Negasi takes the lead. Inside the last 400, Negasi. Strong Boy on the outside as they swing for home. Strong Boy leads by half a length, followed by Negasi in second. And down the stretch they go. Strong Boy from the outside. Green Lane is nicking by River Steel. Strong Boy leads by lane coming up. And Green Lane, Negasi, Gray Magic, Minsan, and finally Strong Boy. Green Lane, Minsan, Gray Magic.
Parang 7-6-2-3.
40. Yung ating forecast na 7-6. 40.